Okay, let's jump to the more question. Question number 266 says, which benefit of implementing standard tools and technique is the most likely to reduce the number of staff required to operate the P3O services? Option A, enhance the quality of decision support information. Option B, enhance the management across geography. Option C, improve the timeline of decision support information and automation of the business processes. Which benefits of implementing standard tools and technique is most likely to reduce the number of staff? So it's very simple. How you reduce the number of staff? The more tasks you do through tools and techniques. Automation, like earlier you do through manual data entry, but if you do the same thing with your laptops, it will reduce the task. So I believe D would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, it's automation of the business process technique is the most likely to reduce the number of staff reduced in the P3O. Move to the next question. Question number 267 says, what is the key benefits using gated review on the program? First option A, assured quality of decision support information. Yes, that is the correct, because gated review is a technique by which at each gate you check whether the project still relevant or not. Okay. Then second, improve the ability to amalgamated information, not that accurate. Improve the management across geography, again that is not relevant. And automated the business processes, again that is not equivalent. So I believe A would be the most correct answer. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is. And assured quality of decision support information is one of the key benefit using the gated review program technique. On to the next question. 268 says, which is the P3O capability is most likely to lead to unviable projects being stopped at the initial investment gate of the organization? So you are not even start the project which is not viable. So let's explore the option A, track the progress program against the key outcomes. No, that is how you run the show, but not stop at the beginning. Selection of the right program project via established structure. Yes, that is most correct one, but still explore what other options are available. Option C says identification of potential duplication of the scope, double counting of the benefits. Again, that is related to the benefits tracking, but not the solving the question. And question option D, coordinated change control across multiple projects and business operation. That's not the relevant. So B would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Tracking program progress of program against key outcome lead to unviable projects being stopped at the individual investment gate. Okay. Question number 269 says, which is a technique used to determine appropriate level of governance of the project? So appropriate governance, straightforward complexity modeling, because it is the technique by which we can tailor made based on the project risk and the complexity involved what level of governance required. So B is the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, it is. And 270, where may standard techniques for P3O exist an organization? Reported in a management dashboard as a part of P3O implementation plan, within the corporate standards and policy, and within the business case. So they ask where you store the repository, that this particular standard techniques we are following. So I believe C, within the corporate standard policies, you put this repository that this particular standard techniques we are following. So C would be the most correct answer. Yeah, C would be the most correct. Okay, so let's move to more questions.